How to use BlackRock Advisor Center Tools app properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. The BlackRock Advisor Center Tools app is built for professionals who manage client portfolios, but even experienced advisors often miss its most powerful features. The first mistake is using it purely for product research. Yes, it offers fund data, but the real strength lies in the portfolio analytics engine. It evaluates diversification, factor exposure, and performance drivers in detail, showing exactly how your clients' investments behave in different markets. Next, many users ignore the scenario testing tool. This lets you simulate what happens to a portfolio during market shocks, interest rate changes, or inflation spikes. Most advisors skip this, yet it's one of the best risk management tools in the industry. Another mistake is failing to use the proposal generator. It's not just a sales tool, it builds client trust by illustrating clear comparisons between portfolios, projected returns, and fees. Pro tip: connect your QRM or custodian integration. That keeps your client data synced and ensures reports stay accurate. And here's what most people get wrong: they assume BlackRock's platform is only useful for selling its funds. In reality, it's designed to help you optimize any portfolio, regardless of the fund provider. Used properly, the BlackRock Advisor Center Tools app can transform the way you present, manage, and grow your investment practice, making you a more informed and trusted advisor.